Creating a series is an exceptional way to impart your knowledge and expertise to others confidently.
You can share your comprehensive fitness routine, guide viewers on how to make homemade pasta with a step-by-step tutorial, provide a tutorial on photo editing, demonstrate a DIY hair dye process, or even ask community for suggestions on what they like to see in your first TikTok clip.
The possibilities for creating high-quality, informative content are boundless. So explore and have a blast.
Introducing Series, a fresh method to earn money on TikTok. With Series, you have the option to set fixed fee for users to access exclusive and informative content. This feature enables you to easily create, upload, set a price, and advertise your content collection.
All within TikTok. If you are not a part of our incredible community, hit the subscribe button below.
Like subscribe, you won't miss a single insight, tip, or tutorial about the latest social media trends and content creation techniques. Ever wondered how those addictive short videos seamlessly connect to tell a story?
Well, wonder no more because we're about to explore how this captivating TikTok series works.
Series on TikTok.com allows you to upload up to 80 videos, each with maximum duration of 20 minutes. Additionally, you have the option to add a free introductory video. After making your first series, you can set your listing price between $0.99 and $189.99 US.
From there, your series will go through safety and music review, and once it passed, your audience will be able to purchase your series via video link or directly on your creator's profile. You can promote your series to viewers with direct in-video link, encouraging both existing followers and users unfamiliar with your content to check out your hard work.
Your audience can also directly access your entire catalog of series from your profile, where viewers can find all your series and detailed information including content description, price, and blend, and your introduction video. Your series will be available to view at any time for users who purchase your collection.
Stay tuned as we break down the mechanics, share some creative insights, get ready to dive into the world of TikTok series like a pro. If you're excited as well, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our in-depth exploration. See you on my next video. I'm Wei.